going to talk to you about 2 penny stocks that we think you guys should keep on your
Boy,
radar.
Young Equity Devin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button right now for me. Let's get
First
it.
one up, Zomedica, ZOM. Now, I just want to kick myself. I can remember when it was around January 12th, something like that. I've been on about Zone Medica and I just had it on my watch list. I've never bought it. It was trading under $1. Boom, it went up to about $1.40 or 50 cents. I decided to buy it a little bit after hype. It was $1.30 a share. And I just had one share because I bought it to keep up with it and I never buy more. Now it's trading close to $1.90. So Zone Medica is a penny stock. And this company is actually a company that provides diagnostics and pharmaceuticals for pets. So they service the veterinary industry. So right now, there's not too many other stocks in the market that address this, but I know that they have a few things in a pipeline, including Trueforma, which they plan to profit on in the future. And what I do know is with companies like this, pharmaceutical companies, once they start getting approvals on these drugs on pipeline, you can expect a spike in the stock. So my personal recommendation is this. I've been watching it closely for the past month. I see where it does this thing where it goes down. It might even go down as low as $1. Buy it and ride that thing back up because it's going to go up and down like a true penny stock does. Now, for people that want to hold it long, I never recommend holding a stock long that's under $10. You have to let it establish a market capitalization where volatility affects it a little less so you can know you're not going to lose half of your money overnight. But that's my personal recommendation. But ZOM, it's a good penny stock play. Wait for the dip. Do not buy it at $1.87 like it is right now. I repeat, do not buy it at $1.87 at its current price right now.
Yeah, I think those are good points, man. I had ZOM. I think a couple months ago, I invested in it. I think it was around like 80 cents, something like that, man. And I did not hold. I try to get my 20% gains, get in, get out, whatever. Cool. So right now, I'm kind of looking at it. I think it's a great penny stock. And you made some good points. You like to watch your stocks or the penny stocks grow into a company that actually has a decent market cap, right? Yes. So I don't know what the market cap is right now, but I definitely think if the market cap went over to around the $50 billion range, and then you can start seeing that share price at $5 to $10, I think it's solid. Uh, I've been looking at some other plays that are around that range, and Sundial
Yes,
is also a Mary Jane stock, and we talked about Mary Jane on a previous video. But I had Sundial in my play account, super play account, at 60 cents, and and in 2x, right, just this past week. And so I'm continuing to watch it. I try not to mess around with penny stocks, but Sundial is a great penny stock right now because of all of what's going on. It's a great spec play for you. It's a Canadian-based company that specializes in Mary Jane. Everybody wants Mary Jane, right? A lot of people have been getting involved with CBD and trying to heal your body. So, it's a good healing tool. So I think if you want to get a Tilray or a Growth Generation, which are some other stocks, at a discount, and that's what the CEO said, we are these stocks at a discount. And now it's sitting around $1.30. I would get in at, I've seen it go from, $1 back down to 60 cents, back up to 75 cents. So I would get in at 80 cents and then ride this thing on up to $2 because that's where I think it's going.
Okay. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Like I said, I'm not too big on penny stocks. I'm, honestly afraid of the things to be honest. But I think if you just focus on one, really just one at a time, you pick it, you study it, you do your research, you can make some quick gains. But man, do not hold penny stocks long because that company could disappear overnight and you could lose all your money.
Yeah, that's a good point. So definitely do your due diligence on all of your companies and all the stocks that you're trying to invest in. Another point about Sundial, it was on Wall Street Bets because of the short squeeze. Percentage was at 67%. So if you're afraid of Wall Street Bets, I definitely understand. But it is a great company. I've looked at the presentation. I've done my research. I've looked at their gross margin and their cash on hand and all their liabilities. Sundial is actually a solid company.
All right. Well, thank you guys for tuning in on a couple of easy money plays. ZOM, Sundial. Be on the lookout for those price targets. ZOM, dollar or less.
Yeah, Sundial, 90 cents.
All right. Let's get it.